Many faces but nobody's talking. Feel like a zombie in the cast of Walking Dead. We're poorly fed and the only thing I wanna do now is go back to bed. Forget about the planes that I drift on daily. Patterns repeat, vision becomes wavy. Can't do that and you can't do this. Why listen to conforming pricks? All their lives they've hit and missed. D.Red and who's on this? And the rhythm is a riding. Vibes are rising. The North Wales scene is hard to survive in, but I push through and I walk on. The only way to win is to stay strong. Stick to passion, don't sell your soul. Hook to attention will cause an overdose. Thoughts intercepted, crowd with a death grip. Can't see pain, can't hear the misfits. I live this and it's alright sometimes, but the clock ticks and so far I've missed it. Stuck in a cycle, can't get out now. Lost my mind, better check my vitals. Heart racing, third eye open. I don't wanna live, but I know that I'm broken. As I said, I'll just walk it off. Fake rappers taking over all of us. The scene needs fixing, rid of rush. We got the tools you need, so sit back and trust. Listen to the statement I'm making. Sick of all that confrontation. Backing away from this fake place, but where to go now? Where's the next location?
Tell me once again, where am I going and where do I begin? Take the first step without even knowing, cause the road's riddled and our chances are slim. But pick up the pace, pal, cause we might just win. So go ahead, dive into the deep end, head first, round the next bend. When will this crazy madness end? Is it when it's too late, when you can't fight back? Can't even defend? No, there is no time to be falling behind. Don't slip up, don't step out of line, cause they're watching you all of the time. Keep life dandy, hands clean, and you won't pay the fine. Written on a lockdown, gotta keep your head down. I'm monitoring the movements, tracked and chipped. Don't ever be forgetting it. I lie awake, unable to sleep. The junk on my mind, forever do I creep. There's peace that resides deeper than our minds. The fears and demons that seep inside. Don't slip up, kid, because the road ahead is filled with nothing but dread. You scream and shout to keep the demons out, but nothing seems to quench this drought. And the walls are closing in, and tension is rising, and you can't help but grin. Which way's out? How did I get in? What is my name gonna keep forgetting? My hands are gritty with the filth of the city, and I can't shake this feeling that they're still watching, following closely like vultures, constantly. Are we really trapped in these rat races? Are we just confined in our own spaces that we created from the fear that was instigated and the system dictated? Are we really all just fixated on the bullshit of this planet, voluntarily distracted? These feelings and can you hear me? It's high time to realize and see through the lies that dictate our lives. This bullshit's disguised. This bullshit's disguised. This bullshit's disguised.